Welcome all. In this video, we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 Relations and Functions of class 12. So let us start. The question says, for each binary operation star defined below, determine whether star is commutative or associative. हमें इस क्वेश्चन के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स दिए हुए हैं और हर पार्ट में एक ऑपरेशन दिया हुआ है स्टार बाइनरी ऑपरेशन और हमें चेक करना है वेदर स्टार इज कम्यूटेटिव और एसोसिएटिव. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट सेज ऑन z is set of integers. Define a star b equal to a minus b. Now here the binary operation is a minus b. So for commutativity के लिए हम क्या चेक करेंगे? A star B must be equal to B star A. Now first A star B that is given to be A minus B. अब अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं that is B star A अगर हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं that will be equal to B minus A. A के प्लेस पे B आ जाएगा और B के प्लेस पे A. But we know B minus A will be negative of A minus B. So that won't be equal to A star B. That is A star B and B star A are not equal. So we can say that star is not commutative. Now we check for associativity. तो associativity के लिए क्या condition है? Bracket A star B star C should be equal to A star bracket B star C. Now here we check first bracket A star B star C that is equal to A star B will be bracket A minus B by definition of binary operation. A star B की वैल्यू हमने पुट करी A minus B. Now it becomes bracket A minus B star C. अब हम जो बाइनरी ऑपरेशन है वो दो एलिमेंट्स किन पे लगाएंगे? A minus B पे और दूसरा C पे. तो that will be first element is A minus B and minus second element is C. तो हमारा रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? A minus B minus C. You can see from here our binary operation is between two elements A and B and it is given by first element minus second element. So if we are applying it on A minus B and C, that will be first element is A minus B, then minus second element is C. So it is A minus B minus C. Now consider A star bracket B star C. So first we solve B star C. Put the value of B star C, that will be B minus C. तो हमारा फंक्शन क्या आ जाएगा? A star bracket B minus C. Now we have to apply binary operation on A, this is our first element, and on B minus C, that will be our second element. So it becomes first element is A, तो A लिखेंगे और फिर minus second element, that is minus B minus C. Now if we open the bracket, signs will change, so it becomes A minus B and minus minus will become plus C. So we can see that A star B star C, उसकी वैल्यू कितनी आई थी? A minus B minus C. And secondly A star bracket B star C, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आई? A minus B plus C. They are not equal. So we can say star is not associative. Thus operation star, it is neither commutative nor associative. So it completes our first part. Now see the second part. Second part says on Q is set of rational numbers. Define A star B equal to AB plus 1. यहाँ पर हमें बाइनरी ऑपरेशन क्या दिया हुआ है? It is defined on AB as A star B equal to AB plus 1. So first of all we check for commutativity. A star B equal to AB plus 1. Now again we find out B star A. तो in place of A we put B and B के place पर हम A रख देंगे So it becomes BA plus 1, which is again equal to AB plus 1, because in rational numbers BA equal to AB. It doesn't matter if we put B before or A before. BA is always equal to AB, that is product of two rational numbers. That does not depend upon their order. So AB plus 1 के इक्वल आ जाएगा ये. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या आ गया, B star equal to A star B, or we can say A star B and B star A are same, and thus our star is commutative. Now check for associativity. Now first find out bracket A star B star C. That will be equal to A star B के place पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? By definition A star B is AB plus 1. So it becomes bracket AB plus 1 star C. Now again we have two elements. First we will take AB plus 1. This AB plus 1 will be taken as single element, and second is C. Now we apply the operation on both of these. So it becomes first element, that is AB plus 1, into second element, that is C, and plus 1. तो it becomes, C को हम अंदर ले जाएंगे ब्रैकेट के, तो it will be ABC plus C plus 1. Now we find out A star bracket B star C. That is equal to A star. Now on this bracket B star C, apply the operation. It becomes BC plus 1. Now again we have two elements. First is A and second is BC plus 1. And we apply the binary operation on these two. So it becomes first element, that is A, into second element, that is BC plus 1 and plus 1. So multiply this bracket with A, we get ABC plus 1 into A plus 1. So here we can see that A star B bracket star C, that is not equal to A star bracket B star C. So by definition of associativity, we can say that this operation star is not associative. So we can conclude that this operation star is commutative but not associative. So this completes second part. Now see the third part. Third part says, on Q define A star B equal to AB by 2. Now here also Q is set of rational numbers और A star B की value हमें दी हुई है AB by 2. So again we check for commutativity first. Now A star B है AB by 2 और B star A क्या हो जाएगा? BA by 2. A की जगह B की जगह A. Now we can see BA and AB are same. So B star A is equal to A star B. So therefore star is commutative. Now see for associativity. Again find out bracket A star B star C. So bracket A star B is equal to AB by 2. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास आ जाएगा this is equal to AB by 2 star C. Now again first element is AB by 2 and second is C. Now apply the operation, we will get product of these two, that is AB by 2 into C upon में 2. तो इसको अगर हम solve करेंगे, it becomes ABC by 4. Now A star bracket B star C, that will be equal to B star C की value हम पहले put करेंगे, product of BC upon 2. So it becomes A star bracket BC by 2. Now again here we have two elements. First is A and second is BC by 2. We apply binary operation on these two. So it becomes product of A and BC by 2 upon में 2. On solving this again we get ABC by 4. So here we can see in both the cases we are getting the same value. So this implies bracket A star B star C equal to A star bracket B star C. So by definition we can see that star is associative. So we can conclude that here also star is commutative and associative. Now see the fourth part. Fourth part says, on Z plus, that is set of positive integers, define A star B equal to 2 raised to the power AB. here a star b is equal to 2 to the power ab. Now checking for commutativity, a star b is 2 to the power ab, so b star a will be 2 to the power ba. In place of a, there will be b, and in place of b, there will be a. Now again, in case of positive integers, product of two positive integers will remain same even if we change the order. So ab is equal to ba, so we can say 2 to the power ab is equal to 2 to the power ba. So here we get b star a equal to a star b, or we can say a star b and b star a are same. So here star is commutative. Now check for associativity. Now first ब्रैकेट a स्टार b स्टार c that is equal to a स्टार b की वैल्यू पहले हम पुट करेंगे, तो it becomes 2 to the power ab star c. Now first element is 2 to the power ab and second is c. Now we apply binary operation on these two, so it becomes 2 to the power product of these two elements, that is 2 to the power ab into में c. So this is the result. Now a स्टार ब्रैकेट b स्टार c, इसको देखेंगे अब, दैट इज इक्वल टू a स्टार b स्टार c ब्रैकेट जो है वो उसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएगी, 2 to the power product of b and c. Now here first element is a and second is 2 to the power bc. Now apply the binary operation, so what we get is 2 to the power product of these two, that is a into 2 to the power bc. So we can check that these two are not equal, that is bracket a star b star c is not equal to a star bracket b star c. So here star is not associative, so we can conclude that this operation star is commutative but not associative. So this completes fourth part. Now see the fifth part. Fifth part says, on z plus, that is set of positive integers, define a star b equal to a to the power b. Now first check for commutativity. a star b की वैल्यू हमें दी हुई है a to the power b, तो b star a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, b to the power a. So we can say that a star b is not equal to b star a. तो यहाँ पर star जो है that is not commutative. Now check for associativity. Now bracket a star b star c, that will be equal to, first of all a star b will be a to the power b star c. Now first element here is a to the power b और second element क्या है c, और इन दोनों elements पर जब हम binary operation apply करेंगे, what we get is first element is a to the power b और उसकी power कितनी आ जाएगी, c. So we can say that is equal to a to the power bc. Now secondly a star bracket b star c, अब इसको solve करते हैं, तो it becomes a star b star c की जगह क्या आ जाएगा, b की power c. Now here first element is a, second is b to the power c. So after applying binary operation, what we get is a की power b की power c. So again we can see bracket a star b star c is not equal to a star bracket b star c. We are getting different results, so we can say star is not associative. So we can conclude that here star is neither commutative nor associative. So this is our fifth part. Now moving on to sixth one. Sixth part says, on r minus -1, that is set of real numbers excluding element -1, define a star b equal to a upon b plus 1. अब यहाँ पर हमें बाइनरी ऑपरेशन स्टार डिफाइन किया हुआ है, a star b equal to a upon b plus 1. Now checking for commutativity, a star b की वैल्यू है a upon b plus 1 और b star a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, a की जगह हम b रखेंगे, b की जगह a, तो it becomes b upon a plus 1. So we can say a star b not equal to b star a. So this implies star is not commutative. Now for associativity, bracket a star b star c, that is equal to, पहले a star b को solve करेंगे तो वो आ जाएगा, वो हमें given है a upon b plus 1. So it becomes bracket a upon b plus 1 star c. Now we have two elements. First is a upon b plus 1, second है c. अब इन दोनों में हम स्टार अप्लाई करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स फर्स्ट एलिमेंट दैट इज a upon b plus 1 अपॉन में सेकेंड एलिमेंट c plus 1. तो इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स a upon ब्रैकेट b plus 1 into c plus 1. Now again consider a star bracket b star c. तो पहले b star c पे हम को सॉल्व करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स a star b star c की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी b अपॉन c plus 1. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज b अपॉन में सेकेंड एलिमेंट c plus 1. सो इट बिकम्स नाउ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है a और सेकेंड एलिमेंट है b अपॉन c plus 1. अगेन अप्लाई द ऑपरेशन बाइनरी ऑपरेशन सो इट बिकम्स फर्स्ट एलिमेंट a अपॉन सेकेंड एलिमेंट b अपॉन c plus 1 plus 1. तो जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर है उसको हम पहले सॉल्व कर लेते हैं तो इट बिकम्स a अपॉन c plus 1. हम एलसीएम लेंगे तो हमारा जो न्यूमरेटर है इट बिकम्स b plus c plus 1. सो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग व्हाट वी गेट a ब्रैकेट c plus 1 अपॉन b plus c plus 1. जो ये c plus 1 है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. सो here we can conclude that bracket a star b star c is not equal to a star bracket b star c because we are getting different results. So star is not associative. Thus we can say star is neither commutative and nor associative in this case. So it completes our question number 2. I hope this video is useful for you. If you find it useful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.